This is Claire for Blockchain of Things. In this tutorial, we'll create a flow containing the Transfer Asset node. If you don't know what a Transfer Asset node is, make sure you check out the previous video titled Understanding the Transfer Asset node. Let's begin. Drag a Transfer Asset node into your workspace. Double-click it to display its Properties slide-out panel. On the Device drop-down field, choose your Catenis virtual device. Add the node's configuration information based on your needs to each field. Wire this node to a debug node and open the debug sidebar. Next, drag and drop an inject node to the Node Red workspace. Wire the inject node to the Transfer Asset node, then double-click the inject node to open its Properties slide-out panel. Alter the information in the inject node's Properties slide-out panel by selecting the drop-down payload field and choose the JSON type. An ellipse button will appear to the right of the field. Click this ellipse button to display a JSON edit box. Enter the JSON information you wish to pass as input to the Catenis node. For example, something like this, but using your own device ID and asset ID. Click the Done button. Then, click the Done button again to exit the Properties dialog box. Click Deploy. Now, let's test the flow. Click the button on the left of the inject node to send the input from the inject node through the flow. Great work! Now that you know how to create a flow using the Transfer Asset node, it's time to move on to our next tutorial, where you'll learn all about the Retrieve Asset Issuance History node.